हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एजुफेरेंट चैनल। आज आम वीडियो रे गत 5 वर्ष धरी ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस प्रीलिम एग्जाम जीएस पेपर 1 रे आस्थिबा समस्त हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन विषय डिस्कशन करिया। प्रीवियस ईयर सब हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन एवं आंसर को गोटे वीडियो कंपाइल करछि जोटा कि आपनकर अपकमिंग ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस प्रीलिम एग्जाम पे यूजफुल हेबो। तो वीडियो को आपन माने सेशन देखंतु एवं चैनल को जदि सब्सक्राइब करि नाहंती प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु। तो चलंतु वीडियो को स्टार्ट करिवा। तो प्रथम देखो ओसीएस प्रीलिम 2015-16 जीएस पेपर 1 जो सब हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन आसला से सब डिस्कशन करिया। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेयर हैव द रिमेन्स ऑफ ए हाईली एडवांस वाटर मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन बीन डिस्कवर्ड। तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज धोलावीरा। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग हाथीगुम्फा इंस्क्रिप्शन। ऑप्शन दिखाई इट इज फाउंड इन खंडगिरी, इट वाज डिस्कवर्ड इन 1820, इट वाज रिटेन इन पाली लैंग्वेज, द इंस्क्रिप्शन वाज डेसिफर्ड बाय जेम्स प्रिंसेप। ओके, तो राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज ऑप्शन आई, जोटी होचे आपन इट इज फाउंड इन खंडगिरी, एंड ऑप्शन आई भी, द इंस्क्रिप्शन वाज डेसिफर्ड बाय जेम्स प्रिंसेप। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वाज द कोर्ट फिजिशियन ऑफ कनिष्क। तो यार राइट आंसर इज आपन ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज चरक। Next question, which great Indian astronomer did give the theory that all things fell on the earth by law of nature as it was Earth's nature to attract and keep things? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपनकर ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज आर्यभट्ट। Which of the following books was not written by हर्षवर्धन। तो यार राइट आंसर है आपन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज कादम्बरी। Who did introduce the system of land measurement in India? यार राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन C, that is Sher Suri. With reference to the monuments built by the Mughals, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? तो यार right answer is option D. Next question, who was the first native ruler of India to accept subsidiary alliance? यार right answer is option D, that is Nizam of Hyderabad. Which act did change the designation of Governor General of Bengal to Governor General of India? तो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज चार्टर एक्ट ऑफ 1833। When did Ranjit Singh sign a treaty of perpetual friendship with British at Amritsar? यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 1809। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who is associated with introduction of local self government in India? तो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज लॉर्ड रिपन। Which place did Kuan Singh, a leader during the revolt of 1857, belong to? तो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज बिहार। Where did Netaji Subhash Bose hoist the Indian flag? यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज पोर्ट ब्लेयर। Consider the following events that occurred during India's freedom struggle. Chauri Chaura violence, Monumental reforms, Dandi March, Montego Chelmsford reforms. Which one of the following is the correct chronological order of that occurrence? तो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। ओके, देन अभी देखिए आपन 16-17 जो सब हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन आसला। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ब्रिटिश कंक्लूडेड ट्रीटी ऑफ बासेन ऑन 31 डिसेंबर 1802 विथ। तो यार राइट आंसर है आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज पेशवाज। स्टेट डिमांड अंडर द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट वाज फिक्स्ड ऑन। यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 89% ऑफ द रेंटल। व्हिच वाज कंसीडर्ड एज मैग्ना कार्टा ऑफ इंग्लिश एजुकेशन इन इंडिया। तो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज ओड्स डिस्पैच ऑन एजुकेशन 1854। व्हाट वाज द रियल इंटेंशन ऑफ ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट बिहाइंड द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल। तो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, टू स्टेम राइजिंग टाइड ऑफ नेशनलिज्म। Congress had decided to start first civil disobedience act. तो राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, बदोली। Resolution of Purna Swaraj was passed in। यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज लाहौर सेशन ऑफ कांग्रेस 1929। Sir Syed Ahmad Khan had earned knighthood in। राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 1888। The only annual session of the Congress presided over by Mahatma Gandhi was। या राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज बेलगाम 1925। Who among the following was not associated with trade union movement? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन सी दैट इज स्वामी सहजानंद. Who was the chairman of the first Female Commission in 1880? Your right answer is option A, that is Sir Richard Strachey. When was the first Factory Act passed in India? Your right answer is option A, that is 1881. When were Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru sentenced to death? Your right answer is option D, that is 23rd March 1931. Who was the editor of Inquilab from Lahore in 1923? The right answer is option B, that is Ghulam Hussain. Communal award announced by British government on 4th August 1932 gave a separate electorate to. So your right answer is option B, that is depressed classes. Kolkata Cooperation Act 1899, which reduced the strength of elected members, was passed by. Your right answer is option C, that is Lord Curzon. एबे देखिबा ओसीएस प्रीलिम 2017-18 जो स्पेशल क्वेश्चन आसला. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडिका वाज रिटन बाय. द राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज मेगास्थनीस. द राजतरंगिणी कंपोज्ड बाय कल्हाना इन द 12th century इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ. तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ मेडिएवल कश्मीर. मैच द लिस्ट 1 विथ लिस्ट 2 एंड सेलेक्ट द कोड गिवन बिलो. लिस्ट 1 रे आपन देछि स्कॉलर्स लाइक दयानंद सरस्वती, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, मैक्स मुलर, गंगानाथ झा. लिस्ट 2 रे देछि ओरिजिनल होमलैंड ऑफ द आर्यंस, सेंट्रल एशिया, तिब्बत, सप्त सिंधु रीजन, आर्कटिक रीजन. तो यार राइट आंसर होछि आपन ऑप्शन ए. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, किंग अशोका बिकेम बुद्धिस्ट आफ्टर ही वाज हॉरिफाइड विथ द tyranny of Kalinga war it was in. तो यार राइट आंसर is option B, that is 260 BC. Which of the following Odisha type Nagara style temples are found at Bhubaneswar? ऑप्शन रे अछि आपन देखु जगन्नाथ टेम्पल, लिंगराज टेम्पल, सन टेम्पल, मुक्तेश्वर टेम्पल, परशुरामेश्वर टेम्पल. ओके, तो यार राइट आंसर is ऑप्शन C 2, 4 and 5 जोटा कि आपन लिंगराज टेम्पल, मुक्तेश्वर टेम्पल एंड परशुरामेश्वर टेम्पल. The story that Alauddin Khilji invaded to secure Padmini, the queen of Rana Ratan Singh of Mewar, was vividly described by. So your right answer is option A, that is Malik Muhammad Jayasi in his epic Padmavat. Who among these was never elected to the presidency of ANC? The right answer is option C, that is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, जो कि बादशाह खान भी तम कहा जाए. Which among the following places were set up as Vedant centers when Swami Vivekananda visited USA in 1899? So your right answer is option D, that is 3 and 4, San Francisco and Los Angeles. Who moved and withdrew a resolution for the enfranchisement of women in the 1917 session of Indian National Congress? Your right answer is option A, that is Annie Besant. V.D. Savarkar authored the book. Your right answer is option C, that is the Indian War of Independence. Which of the following peasant movements is not properly matched with the state in which it was launched? Your right answer is option B, that is Pagana Agrarian Movement, Maharashtra. Who founded the Satyavadi school with nationalist spirit in Odisha? So your right answer is option C, that is Gopabandhu Das. Who among these was not a member of the cabinet mission? So your right answer is option B, that is Archibald Wavell. Okay, बाकी A.V. Alexander, Stafford Cripps, Patrick Lawrence एमन सब member थिले cabinet mission रो. The greatest crisis that Akbar faced in 1580 to 81 was when? So your right answer is option D, that is Yusuf Aziz revolted in the northwest frontier. बर्तमान में देखियो ओसीएस प्रीलिम 2018-19 रे जो सब हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन आस्तले जीएस पेपर 1 रे. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच कमीशन अंडर द ब्रिटिश रूल प्रिपेयर्ड द फेमाइन कोड? तो यार राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज स्ट्रेची कमीशन. द सेशन ऑफ ऑल पार्टीज मुस्लिम कॉन्फ्रेंस हेल्ड एट दिल्ली ऑन 31st December 1928 वाज प्रिजाइडेड ओवर बाय. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, Aga Khan. During the Rajput period, the expression Vinay Sthiti Sthapak was used in administration for? So your right answer is option B, that is Chief of the Treasury. Who started the newspaper Indian Sociologist Abroad? The right answer is option D, Shyamji Krishna Verma. In which of its session the Congress declared its policy towards Indian states for the first time? Your right answer is option A, that is Nagpur session. Who was the author of the book The Problems of the East? So your right answer is option C, that is Curzon. Who amongst the following continuously emphasized on giving self-rule to India in 1904, 1905 and 1906? So your right answer is option D, that is Dadabhai Naoroji. The editor of the paper Hindu Patriot, Sri Harishchandra Mukherjee, was known to have held the your right answer is option B, that is Indigo Revolt. Whose name amongst the following was dropped by Abul Fazl while listing musician of Akbar's court? Your right answer is option D, Baiju Bawra. Which European nation was first in bringing printing press to India? Your right answer is option C, that is Portugal. Who amongst the following established Diwani-e Amir Koti during Delhi Sultanate? The right answer is option C, that is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. In Mughal period, who translated Atharva Ved in Persian language? The right answer is option B, Haji Ibrahim Sarhindi. Okay. Tebaga Revolt of 1946 took place in? Right answer option D, that is Bengal. Okay. Who was elected to the House of Commons to speak for Indian interest in 1890s? So your right answer is option D, that is Dadabhai Naoroji. बर्तमान आम देखा ओसीस फिल्म 2019 जो सब हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन आसला जीएस पेपर 1 रे. ओके तो देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द न्यूमरस caves on the Udayagiri and Khandagiri hills of Odisha testify to the your right answer is option A, that is continued existence of the Jain faith in Odisha. Which of the following Ashokan inscriptions indicates that he did not abolish the capital punishment? So your right answer is option B, Pillar Edict 4. Which of the following is a rock cut sculpture of the Mauryan period? Your right answer is option A, Dholi elephant. The Sun temple built at Gaya during the Sultanate period has an inscription containing the name of a sultan twice. Who is this sultan? Your right answer is option D, that is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Nayankara system of the Vijayanagar Empire was modelled on the right answer is option A, that is Ikta assignments of the Sultanate. Who among the following Mughal emperors, after his recovery from illness, wore pearl earring as a token of thanks to the Sufi saint Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti? The right answer is option B, that is Akbar. Khalsa, the Society of the Pure, was founded in? Your right answer is option C, that is 1699. The Maratha claim of revenue for protection is called? Your right answer is option B, that is Chauth. Bombay, now Mumbai, acquired by the English, originally belonged to the right answer is option A, that is Portuguese. Mercantilist, free trade mercantile capitalism and financial imperialism are three successive phases of British colonialism. This theory was first formulated by whom? The right answer is option A, that is Karl Marx. The main reason for the Fijians to join the 1857 revolt was? Right answer is option D, that is all of these. In ordinarily high revenue demands, the revenue policies not only uprooted the ordinary Fijians but also destroyed the gentry of the country. The beneficiaries of the new revenue policies were also not satisfied. Okay, तो सब गोटे रीजन थिला Fijians हमर जो जॉइन करथले 1857 रिवोल्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the only major industry in the hands of Indian capitalists during the late 19th century was? A right answer is option A, that is cotton textile. The All India Women's Conference was started in 1927 to, right answer होची आपन option A, that is to promote women's education. Okay. Who amongst the following was not included in the INA trial held in the Red Fort, Delhi in 1945 to 46? तो यार right answer होची आपन option C, that is Mohan Singh. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.